Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, popping by with another quick video. I guess March is going to be my month for sharing lots of videos with you, which makes me happy because they are just so fun to just make these short little videos sharing what I love. If you are new to my channel, for March I am doing a series calling Color March Happy, where every day I am posting a coloring video. I am also trying my hardest to get those images onto cards. Not sure that that's going to happen on every single image, but I'm going to try. And I think it's fun to kind of make it all kind of tie together to have a video when I finish the cards so you can see what it looks like from the coloring stage all the way to the finished card. On day one, I colored up this freebie from Amy Young on her Adventures in Coloring Facebook page. And if you watched my coloring video, you saw I got the dreaded Copic blob. It was right here, but as you can see, I covered it up. You would never know the difference. And this is what the finished card looks like. I do really like how it turned out. I took some gingham paper and some polka dot paper from my stash. I use these rectangles, I think, on almost every card. They're by My Favorite Things. They're the stitched rectangle stack set 1. I have set 2, but I just still always pull out this one. Added some little dots there. And this sentiment, it was a stamp set that was gifted to me from Hero Arts. A crafty life is a happy life. I thought that was like perfect for this, and I still think this was the perfect image to start off my Color March Happy series. And on the inside, I used another stamp from that gifted set from Hero Arts, and then just added some strips of paper. So there is the finished card from my coloring of day one. And like I said, you would never know that I have that dreaded Copic blob. So don't always give up. I guess it just depends. Sometimes those Copic blobs could be like anywhere. And sometimes you just have to remember it's just paper and start fresh. Anyways, this is that card. Everything is linked below as to the coloring video, my blog post, any other information that I can share with you. And I hope that you will stop back by. I don't always remember to ask, but I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for stopping by. And until my next video, have a great day.